Hello, my dear student friends. Welcome to Phymen chemistry class. Phymenor chemistry classত আমি class 12 solution chapter to শিকি আছিলোঁ। ইয়াৰ আগৰ ভিডিঅ'ত আমি molality আৰু molality আৰু mole fractionৰ মাজৰ সম্বন্ধ আমি পঢ়িছিলোঁ। We have studied or we have learned the molality, then its relation with the mole fraction, and we have done one problems. Then today we will learn the molar concentration, that is molarity, and its different aspects. Okay, so let's go for learning molarity. So what do we mean by molarity of a solution? Okay, so here it is given what is molarity. So it is defined as the number of moles of the solute per liter or per decimeter cube of the solution. Okay, so you see, suppose I have a solution here. So solution means what? I have a solution. Solution means here I have solute plus solvent, right? Solute plus solvent. Okay, solute plus solvent. Now what does this molarity is saying is that first we need to calculate the number of moles of solute present in the solution, then in how many liters of the solution we are making that particular molar concentration, আমি সেইটো উলিয়াব লাগে. So first thing is to calculate the number of moles of solute. So for calculating the number of moles of solute, we need to know the weight of the solute. Let it be B. We denote the solute as B and solvent as A. If we denote the solute as B, then WB is the, let it be, given weight of the solute. Given weight of the solute. Okay, and at the same time, if MB is the molecular weight of the solute, is the molecular weight of the solute, then we can find out the number of moles of the solute. Okay, so what will be the number of moles of solute? Number of moles of solute is equal to how much? Given weight, okay, given weight divided by the molecular weight. Number of moles উলিয়াব লাগিব, আৰু number of moles উলিওৱাৰ কাৰণে আমি কি কৰিব লাগিব? We need to know the weight of the solute. আমি সলুটৰ দিয়াই থকা ভৰটো গম পাব লাগিব, দিয়া থকা ভৰটো। তাৰপিছত আমি তাৰ আণবিক ভৰটো গম পাব লাগিব, where MB is the molecular weight, মানে অসমীয়াত ইয়াক ক'ব আণবিক ভৰ। ঠিক আছে, এইটো হ'ল তোমাৰ আণবিক ভৰ। okay, ঠিক আছে, তো মোলৰ সংখ্যা কিমান হ'ব? গিভেন ওয়েটটো কিমান আছে? WB, আৰু আণবিক ভৰটো কিমান আছে? তোমাৰ MB, right? So it will number of moles. Next, in the denominator, what we should write? In the denominator, we should write the number of liters of solution. মানে কিমান লিটাৰ of solution to এই total solution to কিমান লিটাৰৰ এই solution টোৰ কথা আমি লিখিব লাগিব। এটা solution. It is a solution. Here A plus B both are there. So net solution to কিমান লিটাৰৰ হয়? In liter. Okay, in liter. So then molarity can be molarity is represented by capital M. It can be defined as number of moles of solute okay, number of moles of solute divided by number of liters of solution. Okay, solution. So what will be this? So this will be WB by MB divided by how much? Suppose the volume is V. This volume of the solution is V. Suppose volume of the solution is V, then this will be your answer, right? This will be the answer. So you can also write here, it can be it like this, is equal to WB by MB into V, but V should be in liter. Okay, this V is in liter. Suppose if V is in ml, if V is in ml, then we need to write V into 1000, right? V into 1000. এইটো কেতিয়া লিখিব দিছো? এইটো লিখিব দিছো যেতিয়া if V is in ml. Okay. If V is in ml, then we need to multiply this with 1000, right? 1000. Here মই আগৰ ভিডিও বিলাকত কৈছো যে কিয় 1000 টো আহে, because you know the relation between milliliter and liter, right? So this is the main formula for the molarity of the solution, right? Molarity of the solution. But ওপৰত আমি কি লিখিব লাগিব? Number of moles of solute, মোলৰ সংখ্যাটো লিখিব লাগিব। আৰু তলত কি লিখিব লাগিব আমি, মানে আলটিমেটলি আমি molarity m is equal to কিমান পালো, molarity টো পালো এনেকে। ওপৰত লিখিব লাগিব কি, মোলৰ সংখ্যা, সলুটৰ মোলৰ সংখ্যা আর দ্রাৱৰ মোলৰ সংখ্যা। তলত কি লিখিব লাগিব আমি, দ্রৱৰ আয়তন, ভলিউম। ঠিক আছে, সো ইয়ালৈকে আমি বুজি পাইছো। নেক্সট ইয়াৰ পিছত আমি আৰু কি ক'ব পাৰো ইয়াৰ পৰা? সো ইয়াৰ পৰা আমি আৰু ৰিলেশ্যন লিখিব পাৰো। সো ইয়াৰ পৰা আমি আৰু কি ৰিলেশ্যন লিখিব পাৰো? সাপোজ আমি মোলাৰিটিটো গম পালো। সাপোজ মোলাৰিটি, these are very important, na? These relations are very important. Molarity, which is written as capital M, okay, since capital M is equal to how much? Number of moles, okay, number of moles of solute divided by what? Number of liters of solution. Number of liters of solution is equal to how much? WB, weight of the solvent, divided by MB. This gives you the number of moles of solute into volume in ml. Then we need to multiply it with 1000. Right? That means from these, if we multiply, cross multiply this, if we cross multiply this one, that means we will get the molarity into MB is your WB by V into 1000. If it is in ml, okay, if it is in ml. So if it is in liter, then WB by V in ml. If it is in ml, then we can write it as like this. Okay? We are keeping this in ml, okay, keeping this in ml. Then this is nothing but your strength of the solution, right? It is the mass percentage, mass by volume percentage, right? It is the mass by volume percentage. This mass by volume, okay, mass by, right, mass by volume. It is also called the strength of the solution. It is also called the strength of the solution, right? So at last So we can relate this with the strength of the solution, weight of the given solute divided by the volume of the solution. Okay, volume of the solution. So what is this? This is the mass by volume. What is this called? Strength of the solution. So how we can relate this molarity with the strength of the solution and mass by the volume, mass by volume bars. So by this relation, okay, by this relation. Okay. Now at last the unit. Then what will be the unit of the molarity? It is mole per liter. Okay, or mole per decimeter cube. Okay, unit of molarity, very important, is what? Unit of molarity is your mole per liter or mole per decimeter cube. Okay, so till this we have understood, right? Okay, I think you have got it. Now if we are given with the density of the solution, okay, if we are given with the density of the solution, then how to express the molarity? Tetia ami molarity to keneke likhim? If density is given, density of the solution is given, if density of the solution is given, if density of the solution is given, then how to express? আমি কেনেকে প্ৰকাশ কৰি মোলাৰিটিটো, ঠিক আছে? Suppose density to দিয়া আছে, if d is the density in gram per ml, এটো দিয়া আছে, this is the density, okay, this is density of the solution given. Then আৰু আমাক কৈছে যে percentage by mass is given, okay, x% by mass আমি পঢ়িছিলো percent by mass means what? আমি পঢ়িছিলো means x gram of solute present in 100 gram of solution, right? So from this we know x gram means in 100 gram x gram of solute is present. Then from this we can see from the density given. So what will be the mass of the solution? Mass of the solution, 1 liter solution. For molarity we need two things, okay? For molarity we need two. One is number of moles, right? And in this number of liters of the solution, number of liters. In liter we need to write liters of solution. Means it is also you can say in unit liter of solution how much number of moles are there, okay, কিমান number of mole থাকিব unit liters. So তাৰ কাৰণে আমি কি কৰিম ইয়াতে mass of 1 liter of solution উলিয়াম, আমি ইয়াত কি কৰিম mass of 1 liter of solution উলিয়াম, mass of 1 liter of solution. So mass of 1 liter of solution will be how much? 1000. So mass of 1 liter means 1 liter of solution. For this আমি ক'ত যাব লাগিব এটো d টো কিমান দিয়া আছে আমাৰ it is d gram per ml দিয়া আছে, ঠিক আছে, d gram per ml means 1 ml ত 1 ml contains d gram, okay? So 1 liter means 1 ml solution, right? 1 ml solution, 1 ml solution contains d gram. Then 1000 ml means 1 liter of solution contains how much? Contains 1000 into d gram, right? 1000 into d gram, okay? So we are also provided with one extra information, that is x percentage by mass. Means we know in 100 gram of solution we have x gram of solute, right? So we need to find out the mass of the solute from this, okay, mass of the solute from this, okay? So from this we know 1000 into d gram. You're getting this point? 1000 into d gram solution. We have, okay, we have this gram of solution. Okay, now here in this we have this gram of solution that we have calculated, right? We have calculated that we have this much of the solution in gram, right? We have 1000 into d gram solution. One extra information is that in 100 gram of solution we have x gram of solute. Okay, so from these two, because we know the solution mass and we know the how much solute is present in 100 gram of solution, so from this we can find out the mass of the solute. How we see? Okay, so you see, you can write the unitary method. Okay, নিয়মত যদি লেখো 100 গ্রাম 100 gram of solution contains x gram of solute. Okay, মানে 100 গ্রাম সলিউশনে কিমান গ্রাম সলিউট রাখে x গ্রাম. যদি আমি লিখো এই দুটা মন কৰিবলগীয়া 100 গ্রাম সলিউশনে x গ্রাম সলিউট রাখে, রাইট? সো আমি যদি লিখো এতিয়া 1 gram solution contains x by 100 gram of solution. আমার সলিউশনৰ হেইটো কিমান আছে, টোটাল মাছটো কিমান আছে? ইট ইজ 1000 into d gram solution তেতিয়াহ'লে কিমান কন্টেইন কৰিব? x by 100 into 1000 into d, right? And this is equal to how much? This will be 10, right? So this will come out to be x into d into 10 gram of solute. দ্রাব কিমান থাকিব তেতিয়াহ'লে আমাৰ হাতত? দ্রাব থাকিলে ইমান গ্রাম, right? ইমান গ্রাম দ্রাব থাকে, ঠিক আছে? Once we know the how many grams of solute present in the solution, so এইটোত আমি এটা কি পালো তেতিয়াহ'লে? এটা নতুন বস্তু কি পালো? We have got here solution is this much gram and solute present is how much? So solute is equal to x into d into 10 gram, right? 10 gram. Okay, so from these what we have, now we can proceed for finding out the number of moles of solute. Okay, so number of moles of solute will be how much? Given weight, how much solute is present? It is x into d into 10 by how much? By the molecular weight of the solute, mb. Okay, so this is your number of moles. If we take this, the number of moles, molality will be how much? So molality, not molality, it is molarity, sorry, molarity capital M is equal to number of moles x into d into 10 by mb. in 1 liter of solution, right? Per liter means we have already taken this is as 1 liter, so it will be 1 liter, right? So this is another formula for the molarity of the solution, where we need to know the percentage by mass of the solute, then density of the solution, and the molecular weight of the solute, right? So this is the important formula. Next important formula for molarity. Okay. Next we will study the relationship between molality and molarity, and this can be given by this equation. So let me prove this. Whether it is correct or not. So for that we need to write the formula for molarity and molality. Okay. So molarity formula. Molarity is equal to how much? It is B. Okay. So this is the formula for molarity, right? Because it is the here it is the Wb by Mb is what? It is the number of moles of the solute, and the by volume in ml. So make it in liter. So multiply 1000 with 1000, and the molarity. This is suppose equation number 1, and molality can be written as how much? Wb, number of moles of solute, relation between molality and molarity, and it is given by this particular equation, 1 by molality rho by molality, sorry, molarity, 1 by molality rho by molarity, and mass, molecular weight of the solute by 1000. Okay. So suppose this is our solution. Here we have solute plus solvent. Okay, solute plus solvent. Here B is the solute and A is the solvent. Okay, so this is our solution, right? So for this let me write first this molarity equation. Molarity is Wb by Mb into 1000, as we have already done it. Molarity is your Wb by Mb, Wa weight of the solvent into 1000, right? 1000. Now as per the definition, what will be the rho? Rho will be equal to weight of the solution, mass of the solution divided by volume. Okay, volume. So Wa plus Wb gram per ml. Okay, V is in ml. Okay, so density is given in gram per ml, right? Per ml. So let me proceed stepwise. If we proceed stepwise, আমি stepwise যাওঁ, তেতিয়া আমি কি পাম? So আমি প্ৰথমতে লিখিম rho by m. কেনেকৈ দিব পাৰি? ইকুৱেশ্যনটো দিব পাৰি আমাৰ এনেকৈ। ইকুৱেশ্যনটো আমি কেনেকৈ লিখোঁ ইয়াতে? 1 by m is equal to rho by capital M means it is molarity minus mass of the molecular weight of the solute divided by 1000, right? So ইয়াৰ পৰা যদি আমি proceed কৰোঁ, we can prove this like this, Wa plus Wb by C into divided by আমি কৰিব লাগে কি capital M. So molarity equation to কি কয়? Molarity equation. So molarity equation আমাক এইটো দিয়ে from this. So molarity equation এইটোৰ পৰা আমি কি পাম? ওপৰত যাব কিমান? Mb into V, তলত আহিব Wb into 1000 minus Mb by 1000, right? So volume কাটিব, থাকিলে কিমান? Wa plus Wb, তলত থাকিলে Wb into Mb into 1000 থাকিলে তলত, right? So minus Mb by 1000, right? So if we go from this equation here in this side, so we can have this from this. Okay, from this we will continue, we will get it as Wa plus Wb into Mb divided by WB into 1000 minus MB by 1000, right? MB to ki asile? MB to asile amar molecular weight of the solute, okay? B to solute jehetu. So here por ami pam WA into MB divided by WB into 1000, right? WB into 1000. So if we compare this equation, equation number 3 with equation number 2, we will get just 1 by M. Okay, that is equation number 3 is equal to 1 upon of equation number 2. Right? So it is proven. So this particular formula you just remember where density is in gram per ml. Okay, gram per ml. So এই particular formula to তোমালোকে মনত ৰাখিব লাগিব। formula to কি? formula to হল আমাৰ এইটো formula, this particular formula we need to remember when we are asked with the relation between molarity and molality. Okay, got it? Okay, next আমি পঢ়িম the relation between molarity and mole fraction. আমি molality আৰু mole fraction পঢ়িছো ইতিমধ্যে, কিন্তু আজি আমি কি পঢ়িম? relation between molarity capital M and mole fraction. Okay, mole fraction আমি কেনেকৈ বুজাইছিলো? এটোৰে কাইদৰে বুজাইছিলো, ঠিক আছে? এতিয়া আমি ইয়াৰ পৰা বুজিম বস্তুটো, গোটেই বস্তুটো, ঠিক আছে? আমি ধৰি লম if we have a solution like this, solution in a beaker, this, and A number of moles and NB number of moles for solvent and solute. This is the for number of moles of solute, moles of solvent, okay, and this NB is the number of moles of solute, okay, solute, number of moles of solute. Then total mass of the solute will be how much? Will be how much? That can we find out? How? Because along with this we also know that MA is the molecular mass of solvent, and this is the molecular mass of solute, okay, MB. So from these, number of moles can be written as Na is your WA by Ma, NB is your WB. This is the given weight present in as solvent, and this is the given weight of the solute present. So from these we have WA plus WB means weight of the solute plus solvent is equal to weight of the solution. Weight of solution is equal to Na into Ma plus now if we are given the volume of the solution, density of the solution, density, if it is given density D is given, then we can find out the volume of the solution, right? Volume of solution. How? Volume of solution will be how much? Because density is mass per unit volume, so volume will be mass per density. So mass is how much? Solution or mass NaMa plus NB MB, right? Number of moles, so divided by D. So this we know, right? This we can find out. Next, if we go for molarity, then this number of moles of solute by volume of the solution, number of moles of solute by volume of solution into 1000, right? Into 1000. So from this, if we put all this, then we can get number of moles of solute was how much? This was the number of moles of solute. This was the number of moles of solute. It was NB. So put this here. NB divided by what is the volume? Volume is this much. So it is Na Ma plus Nb Mb, and D will go up, right? So this is your molarity M. Okay, molarity M. Okay, from this you can proceed as dividing both sides. Okay, dividing both sides by numerator, both numerator or denominator by this Na plus Nb. Okay, so if we divide both this Nb by Na plus Nb, আমি কি কৰিছো Na plus Nb ৰে ডিভাইড কৰি দিছো আৰু মাল্টিপ্লাই কৰি দিছো, ঠিক আছে, বেলেগ কৰা নাই। ওপৰত আছিল কিমান 1000 থাকি গৈছে, 1000 টো লিখিব লাগিব, 1000 into d Nb তলত এইটো আহিলে Na by Ma Na plus Nb plus Nb by Na plus Nb into 8. So এইটোৱে কি বুজাই আছে ইয়াতে, এই টাৰ্মটোৱে মোল ফ্ৰেকশন অফ A, আৰু এইটো কি বুজাইছে মোল ফ্ৰেকশন অফ B, আৰু এইটো কি মোল ফ্ৰেকশন অফ B সলিউট। সো ইয়াক আমি কি লিখিম এতিয়া, মোল ফ্ৰেকশন অফ B into 1000 into density of the solution, okay, divided by mole fraction of A into molecular weight of A means solvent plus mole fraction of B into molecular weight of B. So this will be the relation for the molarity and the mole fraction. Okay, so let me write this. Molarity is equal to mole fraction of solute into 1000 into D divided by mole fraction of A into this into Mb. Okay, you need to remember this particular relation. So today we have studied so আজি আমি কি পঢ়িলো, আমি পঢ়িলো molarity কি হয়, molarity আমি পঢ়িলো কি, molarity equal to number of moles of solute divided by number of liters of solution, next আমি পঢ়িছিলো molarity যদি আমাক কি দিয়া থাকে, ইয়াক আমি ক্যাপিটাল M এৰে বুজাও, molarity if density is given and what is mass percentage is given, then it is x into d into 10 divided by mb, right? Next again we got the relation between molarity and molality. This is 1 by m is equal to rho by molarity minus molecular weight of the solute divided by 1000. This is one relation. Another relation was this one. Okay, so all these relation we have done, okay, today. So these all 4 formulas we need to remember, 1, then this is 2, 3 and 4, and next class we will look for some numerical problems based on this. Okay, so আশা কৰিছো তোমালোক সকলোৱে বুজি পাইছা molarity কি হয়, molarity কিছুমান different formatৰ কিছুমান ফৰ্মুলা, then molality আৰু molarityৰ মাজৰ relation, then molarity আৰু mole fractionৰ মাজৰ relation. তো এই গোটেইবিলাক পঢ়াৰ পিছত আমি ইয়াৰ ওপৰত numerical problems কৰিম। So তোমালোকৰ যদি কিবা confusion থাকে, you can write in the comment section. আৰু তোমালোকৰ যদি কিবা PDF নোটছ পাবলগীয়া আছে দেন জইন আৱাৰ টেলিগ্ৰাম চেনেল, লিংকটো ভিডিঅ'ৰ তলত দিয়া থাকিব। চ' আশা কৰিছোঁ তোমালোকে বুজি পাইছা। আৰু তোমালোকৰ কোনোবাৰ যদি কিবা পাৰ্চনেলি সুধিব লগা থাকে তাতে আমাৰ কণ্টেক্ট নাম্বাৰ দিয়া আছে, তোমালোকে ফোন কৰি সুধিব পাৰে।